Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, I'll introduce the KUS-M56 Ultrasonic sensor, which displays distance directly on a digital display. It has a wide beam angle, capturing more reflected signals, ideal for fluctuating liquids and solids. It works reliably in smoke, dust, and humid environments. Outputs include analog, 4 to 20 mA 0 to 5V, digital, RS232 485, or switch. The product specification table is shown in the video for your reference. Installation and wiring. First, let's look at the installation of the KUS-M56 ultrasonic sensor. The sensor body has a mounting thread and a nut, with a thread size of M56*2. The product needs to be installed in a hole or on a bracket. Make sure the probe does not directly touch metal. It's best to use a plastic bracket and a rubber gasket to isolate the probe from the metal to avoid resonance that may cause measurement errors. This is also the purpose of the two rubber rings. During installation, the probe should be pointed toward the measured surface. Next, let's introduce the wiring of the KUS-M56. There is a 4-pin connector on the top of the sensor. Simply insert the supplied cable. Tighten the nut. The KUS-M56 I have here is the 4 to 20 mA version, with wiring defined as red, 24 VDC, black, GND, blue, 4 to 20 milliamperes plus, yellow 4 to 20 mA. For other output types, please refer to the product label, manual, or consult technical support. Now, let's begin the wiring operation. After the wiring is completed, confirm that the wiring sequence is correct and that the sensor power supply is normal before powering it on. The wiring explanation for the KUS-M56 is now complete. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.